Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use POCO F6 Digital Wellbeing features. First go to Settings, then scroll down to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Control, your Digital Wellbeing tools, and you can go to Dashboard to see your screen time, bedtime mode, to silence your phone, dim the wallpaper and change the screen to black and white at bedtime. Okay, let's press on next. Now you can use a schedule or turn on while charging after 9 p.m. I'll set a schedule from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. I can change it to, for example, 6 a.m. 10 p.m. Okay. I can choose in which days of the week I turn off Sunday and Saturday. Then next, allow, and now the bedtime will turn on at 10 p.m. The next thing you can do is set a focus mode. Select distracting apps, for example, let's say Facebook and Gmail. And now you can turn on focus mode now or set a schedule. I'll turn it on now. And now the apps which are distracting will be turned to do not disturb mode, so they will not deliver notifications. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.